Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Well, we just got back from a camping trip and I decided to tackle a project real quick. So, we needed to go to a king bed. There was just no way. We were banging into each other last night. It was our first trip out. And we decided the queen wasn't doing it. So, it's taken me about an hour. But I took out the little cabinet that was here with the had a little countertop cabinet both on this side and the other side. This side was pretty easy. The other side over there, it was tricky. You could tell they put that in before they put in this this platform, because all those screws were buried. But I finally got it out. We need to go camper queens are 60 by 80. We wanted to go to king, which is 76 by 80. So it's 16 inches. So I'm going to need a couple inches over on that side. And we'll take up about half of the space over here. But both cabinets are out, which is great. Like I said, just have to re-engineer it. All screws. That one I did have to destroy a little bit. I had to pull the front panel off to get to the screws. Like you could tell they put it together before they put this baseboard in, or the platform for the bed. But all is out. Going to clean up. Just want to do a quick video. Next thing to do is just go over to Lowe's or Home Depot and get a probably 2 4x8s. I might even have a section of 4x8. As a matter of fact, I think I've got a section of 4x8 back in the barn. So I might be alright. I may not have to get any materials for this one. Just cut it to what I need and we'll be good to go. But hope everybody's doing well. Just a quick video. Been doing some demolition. Demolition and watch the Cleveland Browns. How about that? No comment. They're actually winning. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.